Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use free VPN on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to right click on your network and internet settings from the right side corner, and after that go to the network and internet settings. After that you will get this window, so you have to go to VPN setting over there on the left side corner. After that you have to click on add VPN connection. Now you have to open your browser and go to this website. It's called vpnbook.com. So after visit this website, you have to scroll down and click on pptp. Now have to copy any server URL from there. So I will going to copy the first URL, and after that I have to put on the server name or the address over there, and from the VPN provider you have to choose Windows built-in, and the connection name you can put anything. I will put here Tricknology, which is my channel name, and after that you have to scroll down and you have to put your username. Username is VPN book, as you can see, and the password is 23. This one is the VPN book password 283, then SWRN, and after that you have to click on save. Now click on that VPN which you have created, and after that click on connect. Now it will take some time to verify. So as you can see, it's connected, showing connected over there. Okay, so if you'll go to the google.com and if you'll type over there my IP, as you can see my IP is changed. That means it's working. So I hope this small video will really help all of you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and the share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.